Are you ready to elevate your cocktail game and dazzle your friends and family at your next gathering? Introducing the AnchorChef Cocktail Bubble Maker Kit, the ultimate way to add a dash of sophistication and a burst of flavor to your favorite drinks. The AnchorChef Cocktail Bubble Maker Kit is a game changer, and here's why. First, it's incredibly portable. Say goodbye to tangled cords and limited spaces. This innovative kit is battery-powered, making it perfect for picnics, bar counters, and family gatherings. You can take it anywhere you want to share delicious smoked cocktails and food with your friends and loved ones. But what sets the AnchorChef kit apart is the instant gratification it offers. With this kit, you don't have to wait for heating. You can start using edible essential oils right away to create stunning visual and sensory feasts. It's like a magic wand for your cocktails, whether you're a professional bartender looking to wow your customers or a beginner experimenting at home. This smoker is designed for you. The comprehensive kit includes everything you need to take your culinary and mixology skills to the next level, and let's talk about presentation. The AnchorChef Cocktail Bubble Maker Kit is elegantly packaged, making it the perfect gift for husbands, fathers, or friends who appreciate the finer things in life. It's a delightful surprise they won't forget. Worried about your purchase? Don't be. We stand by the quality of our product, and to prove it, link in comment box. You're at your next gathering, and you bring out the AnchorChef Cocktail Bubble Maker Kit. As you use it, a cascading waterfall of culinary smoke engulfs your drink, creating an enchanting visual spectacle. You add lemon slices, cherries, strawberries, watermelon, and a hint of mint to your drink. Not only does it look stunning, but it also infuses your beverage with a symphony of flavors. Your guests can't help but be impressed. And here's the best part, this kit isn't just for cocktails, can also use it to infuse smoky goodness into your food. Imagine smoked beef, fish, turkey, cheese, and vegetables, all prepared exactly to your liking. With the AnchorChef Cocktail Bubble Maker Kit, the possibilities are endless. So, are you ready to transform ordinary moments into extraordinary memories? Elevate your cocktails, impress your guests, and add a touch of magic to your culinary creations with the AnchorChef Cocktail Bubble Maker Kit. Order yours today and experience the art of mixology like never before. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own the AnchorChef Cocktail Bubble Maker Kit. Order now and be the life of the party.